Children, today I am going to discuss some of the problems based on angle sum property of a triangle. Question number 2 of worksheet 2. Find which of the following can be the measures of three angles of a triangle. Means in question number 2, a collection of three angles are given to you and you have to find whether those three angles can be the three angles of a triangle or not. So children, you already know that the sum of the three angles of a triangle is always equal to 180 degree. It is not greater than 180. It is not less than 180 degree. Always equal to 180 degree. So in A, 35 degree, 80 degree, 65 degree angles are there and you have to check whether these three angles can be the एंगल्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल और नॉट, यानी इन तीनों को लेके एक ट्रायंगल बन सकता है कि नहीं. सो हाउ टू चेक? यू add these three angles. So the sum of three angles is 35 degree plus 80 degree plus 65 degree is equals to 180 degree. Means as the sum of three angles is 180 degree, that means yes, the given angles can be the three angles of a triangle. Similarly, number C, 70 degree, 70 degree, 70 degree. Now you find the sum of the three angles. So it is 210 degree. You see here the sum of the three angles is not equal to 180 degree. That means a triangle cannot have all the three angles as 70 degree each. So you will write no, these are not the three angles of a triangle. Similarly, number B and number D also you have to find the sum. Here it is 180 degrees. So yes, they can be the angles of a triangle. Here in case of D, the sum is 185 degree. So these are not the three angles of a triangle. Next, number 3. Can you draw a triangle with two right angles? Give reasons. क्या आप एक ट्रायंगल बना सकते हैं जिसमें दो राइट एंगल्स हैं? राइट एंगल्स मीन्स 90 डिग्री. सो लेट अस try to draw a rough diagram of a triangle having two right angles. Suppose this is one of the sides. So this here vertex, one angle will be 90 degree. So if you draw 90 degree here, the second side will be like this. Then at other vertex there are also two right angle, means और एक 90 बनेगा. So 90 तो इस तरह से होता है. So you see the figure will be like this. So how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3. But is it a triangle having 290 degree? क्या ये triangle दिख रहा है? No, because these two sides are not joining to form a closed figure. So इस तरह से एक triangle नहीं बन सकता है. और other way also you can mention, you can prove that the triangle cannot be possible because see, अगर एक triangle में दो right angle हुए तो दोनों का सम कितना होगा? 90 plus 90 is 180 डिग्री. सो अगर दो ही एंगल का 180 डिग्री हो जा रहा है तो तीसरा एंगल मिलाओगे तो वो दैट विल बी मोर देन 180 डिग्री. बट ट्रायंगल में 180 डिग्री से तो ज़्यादा होता नहीं है. सो दिस ट्रायंगल कैन नॉट बी possible. So what do you write? The reason? No, we cannot draw a triangle with two right angles because in that case the sum of three angles would be more than 180 degree, which is not possible. Okay, that means हम एक triangle जिसमें दो right angle होगा वैसा नहीं बना सकते हैं क्योंकि उस केस में तीन एंगल को अगर मिलाएंगे तो वो 180 डिग्री से ज़्यादा होगा. ओब्वियसली 90 प्लस 90 दो का ही सम 180 हो जा रहा है तो तीसरा मिलेगा दैट विल बी मोर देन 180 डिग्री. सिमिलरली नंबर 4. कैन यू ड्रॉ अ ट्रायंगल विथ टू ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल्स? गिव रीजंस. ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल मीन्स द एंगल्स विच आर मोर देन 90 डिग्री. Okay, so let us draw a rough diagram. Here suppose this is one of the sides. At this vertex, if you draw one obtuse angle of any measure, तो वो किस तरह दिखेगा? Obtuse 90 से ज़्यादा है means the angle will be like this and the second side will be like this. Then at the other vertex, if you draw another obtuse angle more than 90, the side will be like this. Now you see this figure does not represent a triangle क्योंकि ये साइड सब एक दूसरे से दूर चले जा रहे हैं, ये तो मिलेंगे ही नहीं. So it is not a closed figure and the triangle cannot be possible. Other way you can also say if these two angles are more than 90 degree तो दोनों को मिलाने से their sum will be greater than 180 डिग्री। तो अगर दोनों को मिलाने से 180 से ज़्यादा आ रहा है तो ट्रायंगल के तो 3 एंगल का सम 180 होता है, तो यहाँ पे ये होगा ही नहीं, विच इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल। सो हियर ऑल्सो यू हैव टू राइट द सेम रीजन। No, we cannot draw a triangle with two obtuse angles because in that case the sum of three angles will be more than 180 degree, which is not possible. Same reason. Next is question number 5. One figure is there of a triangle. So two angles are given. You have to find the missing angle. Okay. So here the two given angles are 65 degree and 40 degree. You have to find the third angle. Okay. So here how do you find the third angle? As in a triangle, the sum of three angles is 180 degree. So out of three angles you already know two angles. So how to find third? Add these two angles. Whatever remains out of 180, that will be the third angle. So how do you solve it? You write what do you know? Sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This is the property. And this from this figure, sum of two angles is 65 degree plus 40 degree is equals to 105 degree. So दोनों को मिला के 105, तीनों को मिलाने से 180. So what is the third angle? Third angle is equals to 180 minus 105 degree is 75 degree. Remaining two sums you have to solve like this. The number 6. The sum of two angles of a triangle is 110 degree. Find the measure of the third angle. Similar question. Here two angles are not given separately. Already their sum is given. दो angle का sum दे दिया गया है. You have to find the third one. So sum of three angles is 180 degree. Sum of two angles is 110 degree. So what is the third? The remaining जो बच गया, दोनों का सम 110 है, तो तीसरा 180 minus 110 is 70 degree. Then question number 7. Two angles of a triangle are 100 degree and 55 degree respectively. Find the third angle. Same as this one. Two angles are given, you have to find the third one. Here also two angles of a triangle are given. So first write what are given to you. Two angles of a triangle are 100 degree and 55 degree. You know the sum of three angles is 180 degree. So you have to next find sum of the two angles is 100 degree plus 55 is 155 degree. And the third angle is the remaining one. Total 180 minus 155 is 25 degree.